Here to southern New England, a person rushed to the hospital after police say a tire flew right into their windshield while driving on the highway in Pawtucket. We're going to go across the studio now. The 19's Mike Cerullo is live in the studio with how this all unfolded. Mike?
Well, Dan, this is the aftermath of that horrific crash right on I-95 in Pawtucket. You can see the entire windshield smashed in the photo. Tonight, police tell us the driver is in the hospital fighting for their life.
It was just a chaotic scene.
This is what Karen Silvera says she saw early Wednesday afternoon right under the Walcott Street overpass on I-95 in Pawtucket.
We noticed the whole windshield was cracked and the top of the roof was crushed.
She rode by moments after the chaos unfolded, even before first responders arrived.
And the people in the car were trying to get out of the car, and they were on 95. Whatever hit that car was with a force.
Police say it was a tire that flew off a car on 95 North, over these Jersey barriers, into the southbound lanes, and straight into this car. Police say the driver was rushed to the hospital with life-threatening injuries.
My heart breaks for them.
The crash snarled traffic on the busy section of highway for hours. The road is back open right now, but the investigation is still ongoing.
I just hope everyone that was involved in that crash makes it out okay.
Now, police also said there was a third car that rear-ended the car that was hit by that tire, but they say no one else was hurt. We're working right now to get an update on the person who was rushed to the hospital. We'll let you know as soon as we have more. In the studio, Mike Cerullo, NBC 10 News at Night Team.